The wingspan of the Bixler 1.1 is 140 centimeters. In our first experience, we realized we can put the bigger battery in the center of gravity. Actually, the reason is the design. We changed the recommended 6x 5.5 propeller to a 7x 5.1. The overheating of the original controller led to the constantly shutdown of the engine, so we changed to Ardu.
The center of gravity has some offsets, but it still can be controlled.
With the big battery, it can fly typically 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
So we place the long range first. Closing our experiment, we tried out how suitable is this aircraft for video recording. So we went to the mountains with a GoPro8.
Nagyon erős.